Hi guys! This is Soursop fruit. This is very delicious and this is nutritious. Have you tried eating soursop? This is also known as graviola, or in the Philippines, this is also known as Guyabano. Soursop is a tropical fruit and this is very delicious and it has health benefits. Soursop or Guyabano is packed with essential nutrients including vitamin C, fiber, vitamin B, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients support overall health and improve immune function. Do you know that this fruit is also high in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids? These will help combat inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Take a look at this. Wow! Its white milky flesh is very delicious. Soursop also helps strengthen our immune system. And do you know that this fruit is also good for our guts? Soursop or Guyabano has high fiber content, which promotes healthy digestion by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movement. It also supports gut health by acting as prebiotic. Some studies say that this is good for people with diabetes because soursop can help regulate blood sugar levels. Soursop has also shown potential in combating harmful bacteria and pathogens due to its natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. So, why don't you try to eat graviola or soursop or Guyabano? This fruit has a unique and distinctive taste that is often described as a combination of several flavors. You can also use this one as one of your main ingredients for fruit shake or fruit juice. Thank you so much for watching.